Edward Hudson here with RC Supplies Online. I want to walk you through real quick how to assemble our bases. When you order a base from us, you're going to get three parts: your feet, your column, and your mounting plate. And then you'll get these little adjustable feet here that go on the bottom of these. So what will happen is in your column, you're going to have these three bolts that have hex screws on them. You'll unscrew these. They're on both sides. One will go here with the three bolts going through the holes. This will face up like this on your bottom of your tabletop, but you assemble the base first. Then your feet also have three bolts on them as well. Not bolts, holes for the bolts to go through. So basically you'll unscrew these, screw the bottom on, screw the top on, tighten it down as tight as possible. These will shift from side to side if you don't tighten them down super tight. If you have any issues getting these tightened down and they're still spinning, there is one option that does not come with the base, but you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get this type of bolt. And there's a center hole here that you can run this bolt through and tighten it down. Zoom in on this. This is the type of bolts these are. See it good. And the only other thing you have is these 4 feet that are adjustable. They go on the bottom of this plate. And that's how you assemble our bases. Thanks and have a great day.